MRG channel. I am your Madhav Rudra Ganesh. Today I am going to tell you Maths Introduction to Probability. Okay friends, you have learned this probability in 8th class, but it is some advanced one. Okay friends, so this introduction is so easy but you should listen it carefully. Okay friends, so let's go into the topic. See here friends, what is probability? A probability means a reaction. When a reaction is happening, we should guess that outcomes of that reaction. When the outcomes of reaction is called as probability. Okay friends, I have tossed a coin. So how many times we can get heads and how many times we can get tails in 10 times? Tell friends. For example, in heads I can get 5 times or 3 times, 4 times. Tails I can get 7 times, 2 times. We can't tell, but we can guess. And we can guess the outcome. So that is called as probability. I think you have understood friends. Now, let's see the examples. See here friends. Again, a coin is tossed 10 times. Okay friends. A coin is tossed 10 times. Yes friends. And heads occurs 5 times. And tail occurs 5 times. So, what is the probability of this sum? So, I should do probability means here we have the formula of this probability. See here friends. Number of trials in which the event happens. In this event, how many trials we did for heads? 5 times, and for tails also 5 times we have did. Yes friends. And number of trials 5 plus 5 10 total. Now first we will do heads. See friends. Heads 5 times. Yes friends. Now 5 by 10. Why I wrote here 10 means this is the number of trials. 5 plus 5 10. 10 trials we have did and we got heads 5 times. Now see here friends. So this is heads and tails now. 5 by 10 same. Now 5 1 ja 5 2 ja. Yes friends. 5 1 ja 5 2 ja. So the heads probability is 1 by 2 and tails probability also 1 by 2. Means half. Yes friends. See here, in 10 times we have 5 times heads and 5 times tails. So half 50% like that. Okay friends. If you are not visible, this means I will write again. See friends. 1 by 2. Okay friends. Now I will tell you another example to understand and to know more of this probability. Okay friends. Now I will tell you the another example in this probability. Okay friends, see the example. See, for example, we have in exam Ram did Ram name. In exam Ram did 26 questions out of 50. Okay friends. See Ram. So in exam Ram do 26 questions out of 50. Okay friends. So what is the probability of correct question? Means what is the percentage? Like that in first example I told you half of 50%. Yes friends. We have got 1 by 2 1 by 2. Yes friends. So what is the probability of correct question? Like in first example we have did percentages. Like yes friends. The heads is 5 times, the tails is 5 times. So we have half of percentage means 50-50 chances. Yes friends. So in this also what we have chances of outcomes in this correct questions. See now formula. What we should do means correct questions by total questions. So the correct questions we have 26 and total 50. Now let's cancel it. Okay friends, let's cancel it. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 4. Yes friends. And 5 minus 4 what we get? 1. So 1 and 10 will become at a time 1 10. So this is 10. 2 5 ja. Yes friends. 2 5 ja 2 3 ja. Yes friends. 2 5 ja 2 3 ja. So Now 13 by 25. See friends, we have got the answer now. So 26 by 50, if there means we will get the answer 25, 13 by 25. Yes friends, so this is the probability of these correct questions of number 26 out of 50 questions. Okay friends, I think you understood. So please subscribe my channel and like and share this video to your friends and family, and please support us and please follow our page Imaji Studies, and bye.